This is the HyperX SoloCast. It's a USB cardioid pattern microphone. Basically, it has its highest sensitivity to sounds coming in from the front of the microphone. Let's see what's in the box. Chopper. Let's slice. I was really slow at opening it, but you get only one chance. By the way, I'm using the SoloCast to record this voiceover. Inside, there is all you need for a quick start, basically 3 main items. Here, a quick start manual, I'm gonna read it later, not now. A handy cable from USB-B to USB-C. And then in the plastic clamshell the microphone and the stand. It is kinda snappy to open, but I didn't have to break anything, so it's fine. It looks nice and sturdy. And now it's peeling time. Tap tap. The stand can be tilted and twisted. On the back of the microphone we find the USB-C port. It is enough to reach even on the stand. Bam! Just a little pull and you can take it off the base. The stand has a strong, secure bolt, and the base is weighted for stability. On the back of the microphone there are 2 teeth-like things that help secure the mic on its stand. There is also a tap to mute button on the top. I like the look of it. Total black, just one LED, and the logo. Pretty sleek. You can screw it directly to a boom arm with either 3/8 or 5/8 threads. When you mute the microphone, the LED starts blinking, like this. Tap. Hopefully I will improve my voiceover skill. See ya.